In the modern era, almost all tasks can be performed easily, quickly, and practically, thanks to genius innovations, which are also produced by the workers themselves. Please take a peek at the list below. You might get inspired. Typists around the world, gather around. There's an innovation for you. A sophisticated bracelet named Tap XR. Just strap it onto your arm and it functions as a keyboard. You just need to tap your fingers on any surface, whether in dim or bright light. It also allows scrolling activities on social media. With over 100 commands at your fingertips, you can start typing on your phone, laptop, tablet, and computer. Although it's used with just one hand, the typing speed is 70 words per minute, faster and more accurate compared to typing with two hands on a conventional keyboard, which is prone to errors. This device can also be connected to VR AR devices, smart TVs, projectors, and game boxes. Essentially, anything that can connect via Bluetooth, this device can operate with. So it's not just for typing. You can also navigate menus and input commands, working through a combination of motion and visual sensors using artificial intelligence. The battery life lasts up to 8 hours, but it takes less than 30 minutes to charge. Released in 2018, this sophisticated device is an innovation from Tap Systems Inc., a startup from the United States. Priced at $294, you can order it directly on their website. Add it to your cart and proceed to payment. With worldwide shipping, this product has been used in the United States and some European countries. And when you're injured with a slight tear in your skin, feel free to cry first if you want to, but don't forget to treat it afterward. If you're afraid of going to the doctor, that's okay, because now there's a sophisticated innovation, an easy-to-apply wound closure device. First, clean your hands. Stop the bleeding. Then clean the wound to prevent infection, making sure there are no debris or foreign objects. After that, dry it. Now get ready and apply a device named Zipstitch. Gently make sure the wound is in the center. After that, remove the backing paper, then tighten the part that looks like a stitching thread by pulling it inward, so the wound is like being zipped closed. Cut off the excess length. Finally, apply a protective dressing over the wound. Leave it for 7 days for minor wounds like this. This wound closure patch is proven to be 8 times stronger and leaves fewer scars than stitches. No needles, no medical skills, but with hospital-grade technology. You can be your own doctor. Produced by Leader Coatings from the United States and supplied worldwide. You can find it in your favorite marketplace. An equal opponent to fire is water, but high-pressure water is a formidable foe. This device is an innovation for firefighters. Shaped like a gun, it sprays water at very high pressure, capable of creating a hole in a wall as thick as 6 mm, let alone just a door. So firefighters can shoot water from outside a building without the hassle of opening the door first, avoiding the risk of building collapse. This tool, besides being used as combat equipment, also serves as a lifesaver. It can even penetrate iron, so the water can be shot at the fire source, even if covered by thick and strong materials. Named Pyro Lance, UHP fire suppression systems from Pyro UHP, a company from the United States. It has been used by the United States Air Force and Navy. Although it seems to prioritize institutions, it can still be ordered by the general public. Just visit their website and fill out the request for a quotation form. Even in simple tasks, there is innovation. Cutting wood is no longer troublesome and exhausting. The way to do it? Replace your old axe with one from ChopperOne, a company from the United States, but quite cheap for its function and sophistication. With one swing, any thickness of wood can be split and thrown to opposite sides. With a regular axe, it's not guaranteed that the split wood will be perfectly thrown to each side. This is because the axe head is equipped with 2 teeth in the middle. Once the axe penetrates a bit into the wood, these teeth continue the task by pushing the 2 sections of wood until they are thrown apart. A simple working mechanism, but unusual in the world of woodcutting. Feel free to visit their website, click the cart, and make a payment. Compared to ordinary backpacks, this harmonization of movement makes it seem like the backpack is floating or flying on your back. All this is possible because of the load suspension technology, so your back feels more relaxed. The board that serves as a track for the backpack part is what facilitates its up and down movement. Please visit their website for direct shopping. Choose the type of backpack you need. From daily backpacks that can also be used for heavy training or as office bags, priced around $490, casual hiking backpacks priced around $483, and trekker or carrier backpacks with a 55-liter capacity are priced at $606. Now, there's an innovation that lets you relax wherever you want. Whenever you want to sit down, this innovation is the answer. The Chairless Chair from the German company Nuni. It looks like a walking aid, applied like clothing, and by just pressing the lock button, you can sit back and enjoy your meal. When you're ready to move, the lock opens automatically, and you can walk around again. No more fighting for seats or feeling sad when there are no chairs available. This device will comfort you, and you can sit down. And don't worry, because this device can support up to 120 kilograms. Please visit their website for ordering, and it takes time because it needs to be adjusted to the body or leg size of the user. No price is listed. It seems to vary based on customer orders. It's exciting to look at these sophisticated and expensive innovations. It seems like humans can't manage with their bodies alone anymore. If I had the money, I'd like to buy that wood-splitting axe. Which device interests you?